This morning we left Paris and took a motor coach ride to go out in the countryside. And we went to Claude Monet's home in Giverny, France, where Monet lived and painted for 43 years. He was inspired by his gardens and spent years transforming them, planting thousands of flowers. He believed that it was very important to surround himself with nature and paint outdoors. He created many paintings of his house and gardens, especially of his water lilies in the pond, the Japanese bridge, and a weeping willow tree. He is the father of painting outdoors, which is called plein air.
Created every bit of it. It took him years and years to create all of this, and this was only after he started selling work for 2 years. Bamboo gardens and the water lilies, which were going to come about. So let's move forward.
Und noch etwas, wenn Sie hinter der Brücke sind, wo ich jetzt befinde, links.
It was said that Monet used a wheelbarrow much like this for his French easel and painting supplies.
So this side, right? Yeah.
You will notice that as we go into Monet's home, the walls are painted in blues and yellows, which was very light and high-spirited for that time frame, because typically everything was very monotone in that day and age. This is Monet's home studio, which you see all of these paintings as they were basically showing back in his day. However, all of these are replicas. Some of these paintings were actually done by his other impressionist friends who would come at the gardens and also display their work at his home and gallery. As you see, this is Mrs. Monet's sewing room. The rest of the house belonged to Monet to display his artwork. As we walk through the house, you'll also notice here and there Japanese art. Monet fell in love with the Japanese art and their way of doing things. That was why he created the lily pond and the bridge that you see in some of his artwork. Here we are in Monet's main studio. Look at those beautiful skylights. You can just throw back the canvases and have daylight in this huge room. Today, as you see, it's the bookstore. There, I was able to get some beautiful brushes and coasters. So here we are at the end of Monet's garden. I was absolutely awe-inspired to walk in the footsteps of the famous impressionist Monet. You have to come and see it for yourself. There's nothing like it in this world.
Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.